This is Canada in winter time.
In the storm.
In the storm.
And what are we doing outside? I don't know. We should be staying home.
Well, we had to go shopping because, well, my sisters won't stop begging. Or just want to go to a mall to go shopping.
Look at how much snow we have. It's supposed to be 30 centimeters.
The mall?
No, right now.
Right now.
And it's not done yet.
Sounds like another snowstorm.
You think?
Yes. Oh, shut up. Shut up.
Oh, that's why you were supposed to have to get a cinema.
Yeah.
You didn't have to.
Yeah, no, but they have to redo it on Saturday. Afternoon.
Is it just me that has to go to the dentist on Saturday?
No, it's me and you. Wait.
You guys go to the Yes. Saturday at 11?
One of us gonna go at 11, the other one's gonna go at noon.
You're not going.
When was the last time you had your cleaning? It was last.
It was last time we went. I
Yeah,
thought it was
so-
to remove my edges. It was just a cleaning. I said I
Are
had
your
no
teeth gone?
cavities.
It's,
Are your teeth gone?
it's every 9 months for the cleaning, or like every year for the cleaning.
Yes, 'cause I thought you were gonna take off all the floor and down.
So you have one left?
I am gonna stop
Yeah,
now.
but-
Thank you for watching.